John Adam Smith, June 5, 1723, July 17, 1790, was a Scottish philosopher became a pioneer of modern economics. His famous work is the book in Inquiry into the Nature and Causes of the Wealth of Nations. Abbreviated, The Wealth of Nations is the first book to describe the history of the development of industry and trade in Europe and the basics of the development of free trade and capitalism. Adam Smith is one of the pioneers of the capitalist economic system. This economic system emerged in the 19th century in Western Europe and in the 18th century began to be famous there.
The Wheels of Nation and the Leisure Theory of Moral Sentiments have been the starting point for many defense of critics and capitalists, more notably in the writings of Marx and Human Economics, because laissez-faire capitalism is often associated with unbridled selfishness. There has been a rigid movement to emphasize Smith's moral philosophy, which is focused on sympathy for the individual. There is some controversy about the authenticity of Smith's Will of Nations. Some argue that his work was simply an adjunct to the work of thinkers such as David Hume and Baron de Montesquieu, and many of Smith's theories simply illustrate the historical trend away from mercantilism toward free trade that had been developing for decades and had a marked influence on government policy. Nevertheless, in organism their ideas broadly and remains one of the most influential and important books in the field today.
There has been some debate over Adam Smith's religious view. His father had a strong interest in Christianity and was a moderate member of the Church of Scotland. The National Church of Scotland since 1690. Smith may have gone to England to pursue a career with the Church of England. This is controversial and depends on the status of the Smith expedition. It's Oxford. Smith rejects Christianity, and it is believed that the return to Scotland as Addis.
Economist Ronald Joyce, however, has challenged the view that Smith was a deist, arguing that Will Smith might be considered the great architect of the universe. Other scholars have, for overestimated the extent to which Adam Smith and embraced a belief in a personal good. We base this analysis on a remark in the World of Nations in which Smith wrote the main curiosity about the extraordinary phenomena of nature, such as the generation, life, growth, and death of plants and animals, had led me to admit to their common essence. Just notice Smith's observation that superstition was first of all directed to satisfy curiosity by attributing all wonderful appearances good. This belief, however, is not inconsistent with Danes, a valid system that held the skeptical idea of a personal good.